everyone, I decided to make a video to help out with tonight's math homework. We are going to be using regular math, single digit math facts, and we are going to turn the top number into 10 by splitting the bottom number into parts. Let me go ahead and jump right in and show you what I mean. So on tonight's math homework, you're going to see a problem similar to this, and then next to the number on the bottom, you're going to see this little splitter. Okay, we are going to split the number 9 into parts. But before I know what parts I'm going to use, because there's several parts that I could do 4 and 5, I could do 1 and 8, I could do 3 and 6. I need to figure out which parts would make sense to help me get this 7 to make 10. We're going to be turning all the problems into make 10 first and then solve after we make 10. Really, you know, it seems longer and much more tedious now, only because we're kind of really drawing out the whole process. But eventually, once this becomes much more fluent for the students, it'll become much more easier for them to solve much faster, and this is the whole reasoning behind it. So yes, even though it's much more drawn out, and you know, you might be asking yourself, well, why don't they just memorize the 7 plus 9, which they can. However, they truly need to understand what that is if we're looking at base 10. So I'm going to think to myself, what plus 7 will get me 10? So I know that if I have 7 plus 3, that will get me to 10. So I took the 3 from the 9 here. That was one of the parts of 9. Well, now I need to figure out what is the remaining part of 9. And I know that 3 plus 6 equals 9. So I took this 3 and I brought it down. Well, now that I took that, I'm going to cross it off because I don't need that part anymore. But now I've made 10, which was the goal. So now I can take the 10 and I need to add the remaining part left over from 6. So now I add 10 plus 6 and I get 16. So 10 plus 6 equals 16, and which therefore makes 7 plus 9 equals 16. It's the same information, I just switched the numbers around by dividing up the parts of this number to make it easier for me to solve.